Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a walk-in closet on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by searching the catalogue for a closet. I'm then using the rotate and resize tools to position into place. The blue highlight shows me when it's snapped to the exterior wall. I am then searching the catalogue for clothes to hang in the closet. I am again resizing them to fit the space. Next, I'm customizing the closet by changing the colour of the units to fit my design. I'm now adding a mirror to the space, again resizing to fit the room. I'm now adding a display case for the room to house jewellery and cosmetics. I'm applying the free movement tool to the accessories so I can insert them on the inside of the display case. I am then changing the texture to customise the unit. I'm now adding an ottoman from the catalogue and resizing to make an oversized central seating area. I'm then adding a wall-mounted shoe rack. I'm resizing to fit the room and then customising by changing the textures to keep the room's colour palette. I'm then adding some more shoes that I saved in the shortlist on the left-hand panel. I'm now going to upload my own texture by going to the Textures panel, clicking Upload and adding a screenshot from the desktop. I can then apply this to one of my walls to create a bespoke mural. Finally, I'm going to add some lighting to my design. I'm adding a false ceiling with integrated strip lighting from the catalogue. I'm swapping to the 2D ceiling plan mode so I can line the ceiling up accurately. I can then go back to 3D mode to reposition and check it fits. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render on the top right corner. I can amend the internal lighting and the external environment at this point using the panel on the left-hand side. To get a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of your screen. Then the render preview will appear on the bottom right. If you're happy, click Take the Render, again bottom middle. Choose 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.